Hello everyone, welcome one more time to one more video. Today we are going to see what we can do when the USB flash drive that we connect in the computer does not work. So for example, let me just connect now one and it says USB drive. I know this USB is functional, so let's see what exactly is going on with the USB drive. For that, I'm going to make a right click on this PC and then I'm going to manage. On manage, I'm going to get this menu that is showing up right here, and then I'm going to select this management. So in this management, it's going to show me all the drives that the computer has. As you can see, this is the C drive and this is my USB drive, but it says that it's unallocated. So let me just make a right click and then new simple volume. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to leave it as F drive, so that's going to be the letter that is going to be assigned on the computer. You just click on next, and then here I can just specify in a volume. So let me just put like USB. Perform a quick format, then it's gonna be ready to use. You just click on next, finish, and as you can see the color is changing. It's gonna take a few seconds, and then it says healthy. Now if I minimize this, I go right here and I see that my USB is functional again. So this is a really good trick when the USB flash drive does not work. Hopefully this is going to be useful for you. I will see you in the next video.